This is my broken 350Z, and by the end of this video, hopefully, we'll have her back on the road. And if you know anything about me, I like making videos, especially I love driving cars and modifying them. Carbon. This is the last generation of the 350Z, 2009 year. Okay, so she barely fired up. 6-speed manual, all the bells and whistles of heated seats and electronic seats. As you can hear, there's a little noise which does not sound very good. Probably it's a loose crank. And instead of taking this engine apart, what I've done is bought a replica 350Z. Roll the footage. So what we have here is 2008 350Z, same spec, except we could not find a coupe version, so we went for the cabrio one. We got a right-hand drive car, which it came from the stabbing capital of the world, you guessed it, UK. As you can see, no lights on the dash. 6-speed manual, same bells and whistles, except we have the mirrors are on a button. If anyone knows why this roof won't come down, please let me know in the comments below. Come on! My throat is killing me. So, we just hit our first customer. The Brembo brakes are about to go, front and back. Look, there is a button. I'm transferring that feature to my white Nissan. This car's seen a better days. Little rust bucket, a UK car. Look at the drive shaft, it's brown. Next thing, take this out. I managed to get one bolt out. This one is stuck, it's not moving anywhere. So while we wait for some of the bigger muscles to come, what I will do is swap these bolts. Much better than the factory ones on mine. Damn. Plus I didn't mention, these two is so heavy, this is like holding the air. You cannot feel it in the hand. So, weight saving. Fast and Furious vibes, no brakes. 4 brakes were out and sold. That is the first part which is sold from the car. Phone case bright, RX-7 key holder. Before sending the car out for engine swap, let's do a quick wash. And just like that, it's like coming out of the factory. Next step, take her onto the truck and... Okay, so the day finally came. Let's prepare both of the cars to be loaded on the truck. Okay, first thing first, take off the bumper. This thing, then this thing.
The hood. Pop the hood? Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. And we have a mismatched bolts all over. Okay, so this clip right here was pain in the ass. This thing. Okay, so this is the parts that we have from the white one. You can see how many bolts are here, and you can see how many bolts are here from the gray Nissan. So you can see the comparison. Okay, next thing, take off the bumper, but this bumper was already partially taken off when they delivered the car, so I have no idea how this bumper is coming out.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm going to show you how to complete your abandoned project car. And this is not how I wanted to start off this video, but here's what happened to my project car.
Ta-da! The truck will be here very soon, so let's load both of those babies up on the truck. So we have the truck ready to have them both loaded. This car can be fired up currently. Okay, ready to go down. Final drive with this engine on. Later in this video, we will be driving this car for first time with a brand new engine. Let's do it. Okay, so the car is on the truck. Let's head on that way to have it engine swapped. And back at home. I've never seen my driveway so empty like this before. Next thing, it's a waiting game to have the cars to be taken care of. So 3, 2, 1. And after successful engine swap, we just arrived to this meet. Here's a good friend of mine with his Camaro SS. The new engine finally made it. What we do have here still is some BMWs. We have her back and running. As you can see, we gathered so many flies and bugs along the way on the front bumper. Next step is to have her cleaned, polish the headlights. We have the other Z back here, and if you go right above here to the other dog's place, you can see that we have the old engine up on a pallet, all together with a gearbox. So if anyone's interested in broken down engine, hit me up in the comments. I'm willing to sell this. Or if no one is willing to get any money, that's gonna be an expensive coffee table. It's all in one place, except we're missing an engine, of course. If you would like to know what will happen next with this car, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and as always, see you into the next video.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer.